Ichuni Ward Member of County Assembly Honorable Wycliffe Siocha, popularly known as Embande, is in critical condition after being attacked by unknown assailants this morning. According to eyewitness reports, the MCA was assaulted while his vehicle was undergoing service at a garage near Gusii Stadium in Kisii town. He was clobbered by goons before they fled the scene. Siocha sustained serious injuries and was immediately rushed to the hospital where he is currently fighting for his life. Siocha recently defected from Governor Simba Arati's camp to align with Dr. Fred Matiang'i and former Cabinet Secretary Ezekiel Machogu. His shift in allegiance has heightened political tensions in county, with MCA having publicly criticized the county's leadership in recent weeks. This afternoon, former CS Honorable Ezekiel Machogu and other leaders visited the injured MCA in hospital to wish him a quick recovery. Kitutu Churches South MP Anthony Kibagendi strongly condemned the act, stating, I quote, "Goons are being used to attack people who are supporting Matiang'i, and I am not going to accept it. Help us identify these people. We will deal with them. We will not allow anyone in our county to turn it into a war zone." End of quote. Police have launched investigations into the incident, but no arrests have been made so far. The motive behind the attack is yet to be officially established, though unconfirmed reports have linked it to ongoing political rivalries. The attack has sent shockwaves across Kisii County, with residents calling for calm and swift action from security agencies. This is a developing story. More updates will follow as police and medical details emerge. Winnie Mora, GTN Africa. Follow for more.